previous year question. A coil of resistance 10 ohm, R is 10 ohm, inductance 0.1 Henry is connected in series with a capacitor 150 microfarad across 200 volt 50 hertz supply. Calculate the inductive reactance means XL, capacitive reactance XC, impedance means Z, power factor cos pi, current. So first you draw the diagram connected in series. This is your R, this is your L, this is your C. Okay. So what is the supply voltage? It is 200 volt. It is 200 volt. This is R, this is L, this is C. R is 10 ohm, L is 0.1 Henry, C is how much C? Capacitor 150 students, C microfarad. Microfarad means 150 into 10 to the power minus 6 farad. Okay. So this is the circuit diagram. First we will calculate inductive reactance. Inductive reactance means XL. Inductive reactance. What is the formula? I have already told you. 2 pi FL. Simple, put the formula, get the answer. XL inductive reactance is equals to 2 pi FL. 2 into, what is the value of pi? We all know 3.14 into, what is the frequency? Frequency is also given. If frequency is not given, you can take 50 because we know Indian frequency is 50 hertz. So take 50 into L, 2 pi FL. L, what is the value of L? 0.1 Henry. I think question 0.1 Henry. 0.1. What is the answer? 31.415. 415 unit will be ohm. Okay. So XL is equals to 2 pi FL. Clear? Then capacitive reactance. XC is equals to, what is the formula? 1 by 2 pi FC. Okay. So see the difference. Inductive reactance, capacitive reactance. XL is equals to 2 pi FL. XC is equals to 1 by 2 pi FC. Very important question. Sometimes 2 mark questions also arise for calculating XL 2 pi FL. Put the formula, get the answer. 2 mark questions for calculating XC 1 by 2 pi FC. So 1 divided by 2 into 3.14 into frequency is 50 into C is 150 into, always remember this is microfarad, so convert it to farad into 10 to the power minus 6. So 10 to the minus 6 you can take 10 to the 6 as plus, 10 to the 6 divided by this much. So what is the answer? 21.23 ohm. Okay, so we found XL and XC. Clear? Then bit 3. What is impedance? Now, if it is RL circuit, previously I have told you R square plus XL square. It is RLC. So what will be the formula? Z will be R square plus XL minus XC raw square raw root over. R square plus XL minus XL square root. What is the value of R? It is 10 square plus, what is the value of XL? It is 31.45 minus, what is the value of XC? XC is 21.23 raw square, R square plus XL minus XL square raw root over. What will be your answer? Tell me the answer. 14.273. 14.273 ohm. Students, impedance unit is ohm. Okay, resistance unit is ohm, impedance unit is ohm. Clear? Then power factor. Then students, power factor IV. Power factor means cos phi. What is the formula for power factor? Cos phi. I have already told you. It is R by Z. R is how much? 10 divided by Z is 14.273. It is how much? 0.7. 0.7. So I have already told you the power factor cos phi value lies between 0 to 1. So answer is correct. The value of power factor will be lies in between 0 to 1. If it exceeds 1, then you will see your answer is incorrect. As it is in between 0 to 1, so your answer is correct. So you found I, third I, V, XL, XC, Z and phi. Then what is the answer? Then current. Bit V is current. Current is I is V by Z. If it is resistance or DC circuit, it will be V by R. It is a AC circuit and RLC is there. So answer will be I is equals to V by Z. What is the V? V is 200 volt divided by, what is your Z? Z we have already found 14.273. What is your answer? 14.021 ampere. This is your answer. Okay, so in this manner you will calculate. This is a 10-mark question. This is a 10-mark question. RLC connected in series, XL is equals to 2 pi FL, XL is equal to 1 by 2 pi FC, Z is equal to R square plus XL minus X0 square, cos phi is R by Z, I is equal to V by Z. Each and every one is one formula. This is one formula, this is one formula, this is one formula, this is also one formula, this is one formula. These are the 5 formulas. Okay, complete.